Let's play a fun animal guessing game. Listen to the sound. Look at the egg. Can you guess which animal is inside? Let's find out together. What's that sound? Is it a hen? Or a cow? Or is it a horse? It's a cow. Do you know? Cows love to eat green grass. It is a farm animal. And cow give us fresh milk. Wow! What could that be? Do you know that sound? Is it a duck? Or a hen? Or is it a dog? Listen carefully. It's a dog. Do you know? Dogs love chewing bones. Dogs enjoy playing with ball. And dogs protect our home. What animal is that? Listen carefully. Is it a dog? Is it a duck? Or maybe it's a hen. It's a duck. Do you know? Ducks love to swim in water. They eat grains and bugs. Duck says quack quack all day long. Who's making that sound? Is it a horse? Or a cow? Or a cat? It's a cat. Do you know? Cats love to drink milk. Cats love to play with yarn ball. And cats love cozy nap. They are so lazy. What's inside this egg? Listen carefully. Is it a hen? Or a cow? Or a horse? It's a horse. Well done. Horse eat grass and hay to stay strong. Horse live in stables. People ride horses for fun or work. I love horses. Listen to the sound. Is it a sheep? Is it a horse? Or maybe it's a cat? Yes, it's a sheep. Do you know sheep love to eat grass? Sheep give us warm wool, and sheep live together in groups called flocks. What a loud sound! Listen carefully. Is it a cow? Is it a lion? Or a cat? Wow, it's a lion. Do you know? Lions eat meat. Lions are wild animals and they are called king of the jungle. What is that sound? Is it a horse? Is it a hen? Or an elephant? Yes, it's an elephant. Do you know elephants love to eat banana and leaves? They have long trunks and they love to play in the water. Can you tell what is your favorite animal? And can you sound like that? I hope you enjoy the videos. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe.